We are building a remote monitoring platform for holistic health management, creating a patient-centric healthcare system. Primary reason of starting this was like through personal experiences, two of them actually. Like when I was in the US, I had suffered from a rear end car accident and uh, like a back pain which lasted for more than a year, and I had to go from doctors. So there wasn't a patient-driven healthcare system. Each time, like I had to explain the things to different people. Also, one of my close relatives suffered from chronic neurological disease, and he expired, and we did everything possible which we could at the hospital, right? But most of these things are usually managed at home with the right kind of early intervention being there. His life could have been saved. And on researching further, what shocked me was like around 5.8 million deaths are happening just in India for chronic diseases, which account for 63% of deaths in India. So there needs to be a much more connected solution which can provide right kind of interventions so that these deaths can be prevented. So both of those led me to come back from the US and start this startup in remote health monitoring. So it was like a pretty good experience and a validation of what we were doing, right? So out of, I guess, so there were like 34,000 submissions and we got selected in the top 20. So definitely a validation which we were doing. So we leveraged COVID as a starting point, like because when we started around 2020, COVID had just hit the country. So we leveraged COVID as a starting point to develop our hypothesis and proved it. And getting selected in a top, like ZS is known in healthcare, right? So getting selected in ZS prize was really a good validation. And in terms of hiring also, it was good. So overall a good experience and a boost for our motives for continuing further in the stream. Yeah, so definitely not the first experience mentoring, but I had a couple of mentors in the healthcare space. But this is a very different kind of mentoring, like meeting with the ZS mentors like twice a week almost, and it's like having a ZS team person on your team, right? Who's brainstorming with you on every single details and trying to figure out. So different kind of mentoring experience. That's for sure. Yeah, so on the mentoring experience, it was pretty nice. So my mentor was Vicky, so he was really helpful. Helped brainstorm and flush. So before starting the ZS Prize, we were doing like a lot of things like in wellness, chronic. So really helped us refine down the idea. Apart from that, he also provided us with expertise, like his expertise being in technical, like on the technical architecture, connected us with other ZS members in digital connections and hospitals, trying to brainstorm the different aspects of it. So yeah, definitely valuable experience, not just from the mentor, but also roping in other contacts in, right, to give a broader sense of what's going on in US as well. So definitely a global exposure from the mentorship. Definitely, like in terms of business plan and pitch refining, lots of value add to our existing startup. So making us much more pitch ready, I would say, in terms of angels round that we are planning to do soon. So that's one of the addition. Apart from that, some of the important tips which I found, like some of the things which I brainstormed and learned during the mentorship was the long-term roadmap of the company, right? Starting from remote monitoring, chronic disease, because there are early power adopters for it. And then how do we expand it to build a complete health stack down the line, which can be not taken like just in India, but global as well. So yeah, I think like those are the most key value additions from this mentoring session. So very interesting question. And so what I am imagining is a complete, like a seamless connected healthcare. Apart from that, there would be like a personalization. So uh, Akshay is a person and his health data is now residing in silos at different places, right? So there is not a complete picture to anyone, like not even to Akshay, like how his health is panning out, what precautions he need to take. So we want to become a complete platform where we change the mindset of the people to become much more of a preventive healthcare rather than a reactive healthcare. So that's a dream, and that would involve a lot of AI, machine learning with all the different disparate data sources coming from maybe your wearables, your pharmacies, your diagnostic reports, your doctor notes, and even like your wellness things coming together in a single place to help user better manage their health. And in general, like change the behavior of the users to a much more preventive healthcare system. eventually, like on our solution, we are making a device agnostic platform. So we are ideally making a health stack, which we'll also offer to other people to use it, right? So I think like the connected health and creating a seamless system would be one of the dreams in our journey. And for other users, like, or future people like who want to participate, definitely it's a great initiative. You can make the most out of it, like come with an idea, a POC, and then try to bounce it off from the ZSP folks. They have like a huge expertise across different areas, right from pharmacy, hospital dealings, knowing the in and outs of the healthcare system in US. So great way to leverage this opportunity to move the startup in the right direction, because it's very difficult to find, I guess, so these mentors all at a single spot and so easily. So otherwise, like, you need to approach them specifically. So I think that's a very good advantage of the program.